Koolatron KTCF155 5.5 cubic foot, 155 liters, chest freezer with adjustable thermostat, CFC-free with compressor cooling, removable storage basket, white. 5 cubic foot, 142 liters, capacity. This chest fridge is ideal for large families, homes, cottage, offices or anywhere you need extra space to store frozen foods. R600 a refrigerant, CFC-free, with compressor cooling, reliable and efficient temperature management to keep food frozen. Adjustable thermostat, set the cooling level between 0 degrees centigrade and -24 degrees centigrade, 32 degrees Fahrenheit and -11.2 degrees Fahrenheit, at 25 degrees centigrade, 77 degrees Fahrenheit, ambient air temperature. Removable storage basket keeps smaller items readily accessible and makes it easy to organize your frozen foods. Smooth back design, metal backboard, allows you to place this freezer flush against a wall to save space. Easy to open, single flip-up lid for easy access to stored food items. Defrost drain creates a channel for condensate water to evaporate. Easy to clean interior, lets you wipe away messes quickly. Power indicator light lets you know when the freezer is turned on. Energy Star rating meets superior energy efficiency standards. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.